Yes, indeed. Once again, it's your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks, here with another unboxing and review. So as you can tell, 'tis the season. It is December, Christmas time. Shout out to my wife for this beautiful tree. She kills it every single year. I mean, come on. You can't compete with that. Anyway, shout out to her for that. Got this package in the mail today from Woodstack. Shout out to those at Woodstack. I've hit for a couple of nice things on their website. Shout out also to Soul Play ATL. I hit for theirs as well for the same sneaker, so somebody's getting their sneaker back. I don't know which one, but somebody is. Anyway, had to try. You know, I'd rather two of the same than not at all. Let's see what we got here. This is something really special. This is a retro of retros for OG collectors. As you can see by the black box, nothing special, nothing crazy, right? It is a Nike Air Foamposite Pro. This particular Nike Air Foamposite Pro was featured in a movie many of us have seen by the name of You Got Game. That was dumb. Cut that. He Got Game. He Got Game, starring Denzel Washington and company. These are the Pearl Foams. Legendary kick. All the OGs who know anything about foams know that this Foamposite in particular is very special to the collector. This was featured in the movie He Got Game, hence the title or the name He Got Game Foamposite Pros. That's not the official name. The official name is Foamposite Pro Pearls, but the He Got Games. If you call it He Got Games, I know you're OG. Anyway, this kick is gorgeous. I mean, it's white. It's got a nice white matte finish. The soles, they kind of aged a little bit. You know, as you know, these translucent soles, like I say all the time, they're going to look that color soon anyway, so they might as well take the legwork out for you and just do it for you. Clean kick. I mean, damn. Look at that. Got little hits of red on the bottom, on the swoosh there. These aren't Air Foamposite Pro, so we don't have the penny logo because these are Air Foamposite Pros again. You know, there is a difference between Foamposite 1 and the Foamposite Pro. Subtle differences, I mean, nothing big. But anyway, it's neither here nor there. It's a gorgeous thing. Beautiful thing to start the holiday season off. There will be more kicks coming this season that I'm going to review. But this just sets it off. December, so I figured, you know, the hat, the ambiance. It's your boy Papa Gato Got Kick. Like, follow, subscribe. Tell a friend. Thanks for watching. Peace.